Lady. I am from an English teacher of Senior High School 2 Singini in Kuantan Singini, also a student of the Teachers Professional Program from 11 Maret University. This is my former registers, and today I will going to take a videos learning for my weekend assignment. Please pray for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
It's nice to see you again in this day. How is it going to you?
I'm okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much. Are you ready for studying now?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes.
Okay. But before we study, let's pray together. Aries, please lead the pray.
Attention class, before we study, let's say Basmalah together.
Bismillah. Okay, class, thank you very much. Who is absent today? Oh, that's good. It's very nice to hear that.
Class.
Still in the online learning, but don't worry, we have to have a good spirit to continue our learning, even we have the pandemic of COVID. Are you ready for study now?
Yes, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much. You have a big spirit, yeah? You have to, okay?
Okay, class. Do you still remember about our lesson last week?
What did we study?
We have studied
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, last week we have to try to write how to make active voice into passive voice sentence. Now, in this learning activity, I would like to give you the purpose. I will show you the screen.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, Miss. Wait, please.
Now we are going to continue our topic. So this is the purpose of the learning today. Today is siswa dapat membuat teks dialog ilmiah sederhana berdasarkan gambar yang disajikan dengan memperhatikan unsur passive voice secara tepat dan mandiri.
Will you get after learn this topic? You can make and write about the dialogue by using passive voice, and also you can write like a report by using passive voice.
Siapa yang masih ingat kemarin caranya seperti?
Passive voice tuh misalnya gini, Miss, kan kalimatnya misalnya present tense formulanya itu subject ditambah to be ditambah verb 3 ditambah by, tapi ini opsional yang objek. Misalnya kalimat itu rice misalnya kan, jadi passive voice kan rice is cooked by
her, atau ya boleh berarti rice is cooked by her, oke, atau by my mother. Oke, thank you very much for your explanation. Nah, kita akan mencoba untuk membuat teks sederhana tetapi berupa dialog simple aja yang mengandung dengan teks ilmiah. Oke, now let's check it out. Okay, the next screen. Okay, look at this picture. Do you know these pictures? What is it?
Paper.
Oh, paper. That's good. Thank you very much. And then, how about this? What is paper made of? Made of tree. Oke, tadi yang jawab wood. Coba wood itu bisa jadi hutan, bisa jadi pohon juga. Oke.
Let's to the next activity. Look at the screen.
Ini Miss ada teks dialog, tetapi masih dalam bentuk rumpang, belum lengkap lagi. Sebelum kita baca ini, yuk kita coba we try to complete the dialogue below by using passive voice pattern. Okay, from the paper. Ada yang bisa menjawabnya kira-kira? Paper is next.
Iya nih.
Ya, paper is made. Oke, make verb tiganya apa nak?
Made.
Oke, made. Oke, wait. Berarti paper is made. Oke, that's correct. Next, how about the locks? Locks itu menjadi
Is taken.
taken. Is it correct? Okay, please see the subject. Nah, locks.
R.
Okay, are taken. Okay, right. Good. Okay, the next. Okay, there is the word cool.
It's
Is it
cold.
complete? Is menjadi it.
Ini power.
Oke.
Cold.
Kalau dia ada nya cukup didahkan saja bacanya. Berarti menjadi cold. Tidak semua harus di-collab. Nah, full-cap itu tidak seperti itu ya. Ini belakangnya kalau dia berbunyi dengan huruf yang sulit untuk dibaca. Berarti dia menjadi it is cooked. Oke, next. The wood chip. Nah, perhatikan subjeknya. The wood chip, kata bantu kerjanya yaitu screen.
Itu cold nih. Not cold.
Oke. Aku malah masak ya, aku ke situ pikirannya. Ada. It is called wood chip. Okay, that's good. Thank you. What will do next? Katanya kan, dia ada wood chip screen. So we have
Screen.
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 Ada ditambah ed ya. Berarti menjadi our screen namanya. Oke. And next, the water fountain. The water fountain. Water itu singular ya, atau benda yang walaupun dia bentuknya countable noun ya, benda yang tidak bisa dihitung dia, berarti menjadi satu dia. Satu aja, berarti menjadi apa ini?
It's removed.
Oke, is remove. Nah, itu dia. Tidak perlu dibacakan remove-nya, tetapi remove. Ya, berarti is remove. Oke, done. Well done, good. Good job. Okay, now I want you to read with your partner. Who wants to read this one, please?
I will try, Miss.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next. Okay, Nesha and Ardian, please read the dialogue.
Okay. Do you know how to make paper, Annie?
Yes, paper is made from the tree.
How about the process of making paper?
Then, when the trees are cut down and then the logs are taken to the mill, which cuts them into small pieces, it is called wood chips.
What will they do next?
Then the wood chips are screened to remove dirt and other impurities.
Oh, I see. And next?
At this stage, they are exported in this form or changed into pulp by chemicals and heat.
Wow, that's amazing. Tell me more about it.
After that, the pulp and the water content is removed manually, and pulp is rolled out to make paper. The paper is ready to use.
Okay.
Oh, thank you for your explanation.
You're welcome.
Thank you for Nesha and Ardian.
Okay, class. Next, let's discuss about this dialogue together and translate it first into Indonesia.
Do you know how to make paper, Ani? Apa ini artinya kira-kira?
Bagaimana cara membuat kertas Ani?
Apa tahu?
Apakah kamu tahu? Apakah kamu tahu?
Iya. Bagaimana untuk membuat kertas Ani? That's good. Lalu dijawab oleh si B, yes, paper is made from tree. Siapa yang bisa?
Ya,
Ya.
kertas dibuat dari pohon.
Okay, that's good. And how about the process of making paper?
Bagaimana proses pembuatan kertas?
Kertas, okay. Dan dia bilang adalah it's begin when the tree are cut down and then the log are taken to the mill which cut them into small pieces. Apa ini artinya? Siapa kira-kira yang bisa? Kita perhatikan ya, jangan lupa memperhatikan setiap sisi passive voice-nya. Nah, misalkan tandai. Nah, ini dia. Iya. Nah, itu dia. Berarti kalau ini harus diartikan dengan menggunakan kata be. Nah, jangan lupa be, tidak boleh me ya. Maka akan berbalik maknanya. It's began, apa artinya?
Ini dimulai
Ya, betul. Next.
ketika pepohonan dipotong,
Iya, terus
lalu
log ini artinya batangan ya, nah. Log. Pohon yang udah dipotong-potong ini kan cut down, batangan pohon. Jadi ulang lagi. Kemudian
batangan pohon.
ya.
Miss, apa itu mill?
Oh, mill ini artinya ke tempat pabrik tukang potong kayu. Nah, itu dia ya. Nah, kita ulang lagi. Berarti coba siapa yang bisa? The log are taken to the mill which cuts them into small pieces. Oke, siapa yang bisa? Ini kita sebut aja batang kayu nih artinya. Batang kayu are taken.
Diambil.
Oh, diambil. Ini tapi ini adalah pabrik kayu atau ke tempat potongan
Dibawa.
kayu?
Dibawa.
Ah, pinter, that's good. Dibawa ke pabrik kayu. Nah, ini which ya? Apa lagi?
Dan
Which cut them into small pieces. Apa artinya?
Yang mana dipotong menjadi bagian-bagian kecil.
Oke, thank you. Jadi setelah iya, dan namanya itu adalah wood chip. Nah, katanya it is fall. Nah, ini dia. Ketemu lagi dengan pasif. Ya. It is fall. Apa itu?
Dipanggil.
Kalau dipanggil tidak cocok. Ayo,
Sebut
iya, disebut. Ini disebut wood chip itu kan kayak lembaran-lembaran ya. Wood ini kayu, berarti disebut namanya lembaran-lembaran kayu. What will they do next? Then the wood chip. Nah, ini tadi lembaran-lembaran kayunya diapain? Are screen it. Screen. Apa ya? Screen ini artinya apa artinya?
Kotorannya.
Iya, other impurities. Pokoknya apa yang ada di lembaran itu dibersihkan untuk membersihkan. Apa kata dia lagi? I see and next kata dia.
Oh.
Oh iya, pintar. And next apa artinya? Selanjutnya, oke, lanjut. At this stage, ya, they are exported. Apa ini artinya? Exported itu kalau ada barang ekspor, barang impor. Nah, ekspor ini apa kemana ya?
Dipindahkan gitu.
Bisa dipindahkan, boleh. In this form kata dia kan, in this state berarti dari dia ada apa dibersihkan ya. Nah, jadi ulang. Siapa yang bisa kira-kira? And this state. Pada step ini mereka dipindahkan, ya,
Diubah menjadi pot.
ya, this form kan dirubah palm. Palm ini
Menjadi
kayak
palm.
bubur, ya, bubur kertas dengan semi-aralnya apa?
Secara kimia.
Iya,
Dengan
secara
kimianya
kimianya
dengan
aplikasi bahan-bahan
Dengan cara
kimia.
kimia.
Dan ini heatnya ini, iya, heat apa artinya heat? Panas. Oke.
Panas.
Lagi katanya, wow, that is amazing. Apa ini?
Wow, ini menarik.
Itu sangat
Wow,
Wow,
ini luar
luar biasa.
biasa. Menakjubkan. Tell me more about it, kata dia. Artinya,
Cerita lanjut.
Okay, that's good. After that, the bleach and the water contained is removed, kata dia. Apa ini artinya? Ada lagi kita ketemu ya. Ada is bleach Nah, siapa yang tahu bleaching? Di apa?
Diputihkan.
Ya, iya diputihkan, tapi bubur kertas diputihkan dan water content. Iya,
Kandungannya dihilangkan.
Dihilangkan. That's it.
Akhirnya
Akhirnya, the pulp is rolled out to make paper. Apa ini artinya?
Akhirnya bubur kertas digulung.
Digulung,
Beras.
bukan digulung ya, tapi di roll up, ya digiling. Oke, digiling juga boleh. Digiling untuk membuat kertas. Habis itu, the paper is ready to be used. Kertas sudah siap untuk digunakan. Jadi dia bilang, thank you for your explanation. Terima kasih untuk
penjelasannya.
Next class, please answer my question based on the dialogue that we have discussed before.
what is the first step of making paper? Okay. Who knows?
Trees are cut down.
The tree are cut down. Okay, that's good. And the next, what will they are cut down?
And then apples are taken to the mill.
Okay, that's good. And another information that what is the next step after the wood chips are exported in this form or changed into pulp by chemical and heat?
The pulp is bleached
And
and
the
water
water is removed.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. And who knows what is the last step of making paper? The last step of making paper.
the pulp
is called roll out to make paper.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. In the next activity, we will practice how to write a dialogue. Okay, I want to give you a chance to write and show our idea.
Yes, I try me.
Okay. Next.
Do you know how is food processed into our body?
Yeah.
Yes. I think
Yes. I think
processed food in the body begins with the food that you eat is broken down.
with the food.
That you eat is broken down. You eat
Ya, tunggu dulu. That you eat
is broken down
down.
into small pieces by our
Okay.
teeth.
The small pieces. In small pieces.
This by your teeth.
Yeah, by our
Yeah.
our
Teeth
next
mix with saliva. Mix
with
with saliva,
saliva. Next
which contain digestive juice.
with contain
Contains like this.
contain contain
Digestive miss.
oh yeah digestive
Juice.
digestive juice. Okay, next.
That water the food.
Okay, that or the food. Seperti ini.
Apa miss?
Ya. Sudah selesai?
Udah miss.
Oke, wait. Oke, thank you.
Dini miss.
Okay, thank you, Dini, for your participation. Okay, let's recheck. Do you know the food process into our body? Yes, I think food process in our body with the food that you eat is broken down into the small pieces by our teeth, the tipa, which then digestive juice that water the food. Gitu ya, Nak?
Iya,
Iya,
Miss.
ada lagi tambahannya?
Ada, Miss.
Habis the food, terus Din?
The juice are secreted
Ini dulu ya. The juice
are secreted
terus ini tulisannya.
iya the juice Miss.
Sini.
Belum itu, Miss, belum muncul di HP ini, Miss.
Oh, iya. Akhirnya
Apa, Miss?
yang lainnya udah muncul kah?
Yang lainnya udah
Nggak ada.
Apa? Nggak dengar suaranya.
Udah
yang lainnya udah muncul, Miss. Baru muncul, Miss.
baru
Oke.
muncul.
Ya. Sinyal mungkin ya. Apa lagi nih? The juice are secreted
By glands
by gland. Ini tulisannya.
by, and D, Miss. D, Miss.
Oke,
D, Miss.
ini udah.
Udah, Miss.
Nah,
Glands. In the mood
in the mood. In the mood, ya lanjut. Mouth. Terus,
in the mouth, so
so,
they be easily swallowed.
so
They can
they can
be
easily.
easily swallowed.
Oke, nah satunya ada ya.
Ya, Miss.
Ini satu lagi, ini ya.
Ya, Miss.
Seperti
In the mouth, so
so,
they can be easily swallowed.
so
They can
they can
be
easily.
easily swallowed.
Okay, next, who wanna try for the number 2? How does rainbow happen? Who wanna try? Aida, okay, Aida, you wanna try? Okay, Aida. How does rainbow happen, Aida?
Rainbows are happen because of the reflection of sunlight.
Pelan-pelan ya. Ulang lagi ya, pelan-pelan kan bisa ngetik.
Rainbows are happen
Tunggu lah ya. Rainbow are happen. Oh, sorry. Rainbow. Gini.
because of the reflection
Suaranya besarkan sedikit ya.
because of the reflection
Because of the reflection
of sunlight.
Sunlight. And then
Rainbows are formed
rainbow are formed. Ya. Kemudian
due to the reflection
rainbow are formed terus
due to reflection
ya, due to reflection
of sunlight
of sunlight terus
dalam kurung light
ya,
which is Deflected from moving. Deflected.
Oh, D ya.
Yeah.
Deflected from
One medium
one medium
to another
to another
by water
by water
droplets in the atmosphere.
in the atmosphere. Oke. Udah selesai ya?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, thank you very much. The last activity, write a short dialogue based on the pictures given. You can choose one of them as your topic. Jadi setelah kita menulis, activity ketiga ini misalkan berikan kamu sebuah gambar, kamu boleh pilih gambar yang mana yang kamu mau jadikan topik dalam membuat sebuah dialog. Tapi nanti setelah menulisnya, kita presentasikan ya. Kira-kira siapa yang mau membacakan hasilnya? Bisa dimengerti?
Bisa, Miss. Algi lagi, Miss.
Oke, siap, silakan yuk. Oke, class, time is up. Who want to try to present about your writing activity? Okay, who want to try?
Algi, Miss.
Ya, Algi. Mana Algi tadi nih, Algi?
Want to present my idea.
Okay, wait. Let me try to write it first. Wait. Okay.
How does the process of rain happen?
How
does the process of rain happen?
Process the rain.
Happen.
Next one. Okay, next.
The started
Tunggu dulu ya.
yang B, Miss.
Okay, the process of rain is
Started
from
from hot sunlight, Miss.
Oh gitu, from hot sunlight. Ya, lanjut.
Causing the evaporation, Miss.
Okay, causing the evaporation. Next.
Process.
Okay. Process. Okay. So, next.
Water that is on earth.
Water
That is on earth. That is on earth.
next.
Such as.
Oh, tunggu.
Mas yang B, Miss.
Ya, okay.
Such as seas, rivers.
Is
Rivers.
Rivers, terus.
And other water source.
Okay, and
Other water source.
other water source. Okay. Next, ada lagi?
Ada, Miss. Experiences evaporation.
And this
Evaporate.
evaporation. Okay, next.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Oh, I see. Thank you. Okay, well done. Good job for Alga. Okay, guys, I think we have in the end our lesson. So I want you to make your conclusion. What is the conclusion of our lesson? Please raise your hand.
In my conclusion, passive voice and active voice we can find in sentence also.
Okay, thank you. And next?
In my conclusion, we can make a dialogue with passive voice.
Okay, thank you very much. That's good. Okay, our lesson today, is it difficult or easy? Is it difficult?
Not easy, but it's very good.
Little bit, miss.
Oh, okay. It's a little bit easy. It's a little bit difficult.
Difficult.
Difficult. Okay. But yeah, if you want to practice a lot, maybe you can try at home. It's make it perfect. Okay. Good. Okay. Masih ada yang belum sudah kayaknya ya. Nanti boleh bisa dilanjutkan di rumah ya. Silakan untuk please send your assignment in WA group. Okay. Okay, before we close our lesson, please pray first.
Let us say Hamdallah together.
Okay guys, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam.